Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make drop-down list in Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the data you want to add in your drop-down list. Now select the cell. For example, I am selecting cell A. Now go to the data menu and select data validation. Now we have this box. From here, select add role. Enter the list of choices you want to add in the criteria box. There are a list of options. Here you need to enter the list and here you can change colors. Now click done and your drop down list is ready. Users can select from the provided choices in the cell. That's it. You have learned how to add drop down list in Google Sheet. Stay tuned for more videos here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.